Use the Cartesian coordinates of the trig point pi to obtain the values of sine pi and cos pi. Alright, let's start with our Cartesian plane. We know that pi is sitting over here. That means that my angle pi is in an anti-clockwise direction from 0, but on my unit circle that point is -1, 0. Alright, now remember that sine of theta gives me my y value. Okay, so that means that sine of pi, I've got no y value there, my y value is 0. Okay, and cos of theta gives me my x value. My x value over here, so cos of pi will be -1. Okay, if f of theta is cos theta, evaluate f of 0. Okay, so we've got that f of theta is cos theta. Remember, cos theta gives us our x value at that angle. So let's draw our Cartesian plane. And we know we're looking for f of 0, so our angle 0 is over here. On our unit circle, our point there would be 1, 0. So now I'm looking for cos of 0. Remember that cos theta gives me my x value at that point. So therefore, cos of 0 is just 1, and f of 0 is 1. Okay, use the Cartesian coordinates of the trig point p pi to obtain the value of tan pi. Okay, so we know that our point at pi is going to be -1 and 0. Okay, I know that cos of theta gives me my x value, so cos of pi will be -1. Sine of theta gives me my y value, so sine of pi is going to be 0. Now, we do know that tan theta is y over x, and our values then would be 0 divided by -1, and that has to be 0. So tan of pi is equal to 0.